Thinking about getting your first Brazilian wax? Before you book that appointment, there are a few mistakes that can turn the experience from smooth and easy into painful and stressful. Today, we're covering the biggest first-time Brazilian wax mistakes and exactly how to avoid them. If you're nervous about getting a Brazilian wax for the first time, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people worry about pain, irritation, awkwardness, or getting bad results. Most waxing horror stories come from poor preparation or aftercare. Let's talk honestly for a second. Most first-timers imagine extreme pain or an embarrassing situation. But professional estheticians do this every single day. Their goal is to help you feel comfortable and relaxed. Mistake number 1. Skipping exfoliation. Gentle exfoliation, 24 to 48 hours before, helps prevent ingrown hairs. Mistake number 2. Booking during your period. Your skin can be more sensitive during this time. Mistake number 3. Wearing tight clothing after your appointment. Freshly waxed skin needs to breathe and calm down. Now, here's the most crucial tip. Choose a reputable salon with licensed estheticians. A clean environment and proper hygiene matter a lot. Communication is also important. A professional esthetician should help you feel comfortable throughout the process. Preparation and aftercare can make a huge difference in your experience. If this video helped you, subscribe to MTH Health for more tips.